Welcome back to Minimal Momento. Today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet for a Valentine's Day gift. First I measure my wrist, so I will need pieces of 7 by 17 and 7 by 20 centimeters fabric. And then I cut them to size. After I fold them in half and iron the two pieces. Then I did a stitch in L shape, leaving one of the ends open. And cut any excess fabric. I turn the fabric inside out using a slim brush and after iron them. Before adding the bracelet charm, I stitch the other ends on both fabrics. Next, I pass the fabric through the hole of the bracelet charm. The links to the products I use will be in the description below. For the bow, I fold it in half to mark the center, and again fold both sides to meet the center and run a stitch in the middle. I folded the bow in half and hand stitch. To cover that stitch, I added a little piece of fabric. And the bow to the bracelet by hand stitch. To finish, I attach these snap buttons. As always, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload a new video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and share the video. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Como siempre, gracias por vernos y espero que hayas disfrutado este video. Asegura de suscribirte a nuestro canal, presiona la campana de notificación para que no te pierdas ninguno de nuestros nuevos videos. No te olvides de dejar tu comentario, darle te gusta y comparte este video. También nos puedes encontrar en Facebook y en Instagram.